Today let us do exercise 3D, pair of linear equation in two variables. We have to solve the linear equation by cross multiplication method. We'll do number 4. Before we solve them, let us check the coefficient. Coefficient of x, they are 3 and 2. This one we can take as a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. A, they are coefficient of x, b, coefficient of y, c, constant term. So here we have a2 will be 2, no number mean 1, b2, and then c. So let us solve for x and y. So first you arrange the coefficient. The coefficient of x, coefficient of y, constant term. Then you can repeat for coefficient of x. So now when we want to calculate for x, you forget the coefficient of x. You take that of y and constant term. Then when you want to calculate for y, forget the coefficient of y. You take that of constant term and x. Then when you want the constant term, you take coefficient of x and coefficient of y. So let us do it now. So you can take x, okay? Then you can cross multiply 2 into 10, then 1 into 25, minus in between. Then when you want that of y, you take 25 into 2 minus 10 into 3. Then when you want the constant term, you take that of x and y. So it will become 3 into 1, then 2 into 2. Take only that of coefficient, okay? So after we multiply, we get 20 minus 25. It will be 5. 25 is greater. We put minus. 50 minus 30, 20. 3 minus 4, we get minus 1. Then now we separate. 1 we know, 1 we don't know, okay? X with constant term, y with constant term. So we will get here 5 into minus 1, minus 5. Then here we will have 20 into minus 1 will be minus 20. So we get the value of x as 5 and minus 20. So if you replace the value here, you will see we get equal to 0. If we don't get 0, that means we make mistake in calculation. Then we proceed to the next question, number 2. Here we have in the form of fraction. So let us arrange it to become linear. So we can take 1 and by x equal to another kind of alphabet, 1 by y another kind of alphabet, so that we can arrange them properly. So we can take let 1 by x equal a and 1 by b equal 1 by y equal b. So we replace here. So instead of 1 by x, we write a. Instead of 1 by y, we write b. Okay. Then here also 2, let it remain 2. In place of 1 by x, we replace with a. 3, in place of 1 by y, we put with b. So now let us solve for a and b. So when we want a, we take coefficient of b and constant term. So 1 into 17. Take only the coefficient, no need to take the alphabet. 1 into 17. 17, 3 into 7, 21. Minus in between from formula. Then we want that of b, it will come 7 into 2, 14, minus 17 into 1. Then here constant term, we have it to the other side. We put minus 1. So 1 into 3, 3. 3 into 1 will be 2. Sorry, 2 into 1. So 21 minus 17, we get 4. 21 is greater. We put minus. 17 minus 14, we have minus 3. Then 3 minus 2, 1. So we separate. 1 we know, 1 don't know, 1 we know, 1 we don't know. Okay. So minus to minus plus a equal to 4. But remember, our aim is not to find a, it's to find x. So instead of a, we can replace what we assume from the beginning, 1 by x. So there we cross multiply, x equal 1 by 4. Then here we have b by minus 3 equal minus 1. Minus to minus plus 3 into 1, 3. So instead of b, we can replace 1 by y because our aim is to find value of y. Then here we cross multiply, so y equal 1 by 3. So the same way we'll continue to the next one. Here we have fraction. So let's find LCM. Find first the LCM of 6 and 15. It will be 3 into 2, 3 into 5. So LCM will be 30. So 6 divide 30, we will have 5. So 5 into x, 5x. 15 divide 30, we have 2. 2 into y, 2y. Then this one we cross multiply this side. 30 into 4 will be 20. Equation 1. Here also we take LCM. 3 and 12 will be 12. So 3 divide 12 will be 4. 4 into x, 4x. Then 12 by 12, 1. 1 into y, y. So this one we can cross this side. So 4 divide 12 will be 3. 3 into 19, 57. So now we can solve using this equation 1, this equation 2. So we start first for x. When we take x, we forget the coefficient of x. So it will come 2 into 57. Then minus, here we have no number, so there will be 1. Since we have minus, we have to take along. Minus 1 into 120. Then next for y, it will become 120 into 4 minus 57 into 5. Then we have it the other side. So for constant, it will be minus 1. Then we have 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into 2. So after we multiply here, both are plus, we plus them. Here we have 1 plus 1 minus, we minus. Then here both plus, we plus, but sign remain minus. Minus minus cancel. Now we separate. 1 we know and this one. Okay, so here we can cross multiply. 3 to 8 divided by 13, we get 18. Then we get this one here, we cross multiply. So 195 divided by 13, we get 15. So the value of x are 18 and that of y is 15. So if we replace it back here and check, then you see left hand side equal to right hand side. The next number 4. Here again we have to solve simultaneously for the value of x and y. So the same way, the coefficient of x are a and b, coefficient of y b and minus a, constant term a square ab. So we want x, b into ab, then minus a into a square. Then that of y will be ab into a in square into b minus ab into a. Then constant term we have this side, so it will become minus 1, a into minus a minus b into b. So there b into b we can multiply, b square minus to minus plus a cube. Then here a square b, a into a square b. Then here we have a into minus a square minus b square. Okay, so here we cannot do anything, let it be. Then we separate x and constant term, y and constant term. So there then we cross multiply. So here we can take common minus, it will become a square plus b square. So minus minus cancel. Then here we have a cube. So a we can take common, are left with b square plus a square. So here both are same, we can cancel. The value of x is equal to a. Then the other side also same thing. We take common minus, minus minus cancel. Then this one which is down we can bring up. Then here we can take common a and b. Okay, those. So here after we multiply, we see a square b, 1 is plus, 1 is minus, exactly the same. So in this case, it will become 0. 0 into minus 1 will be equal to 0. So the value of y is 0 and the value of x is a. So if we replace it, we will get. Then here again we have fraction, find LCM. A and B both different, so both will take as LCM. Then B divide here, we have A, so A into A is square x. A divide here, we are left B, B into B, B square. So this one we cross multiply that side. So AB into A will be A square B. Okay, leave it equation 1. Then equation 2 we have already the linear one, so we can solve it directly. Okay, so we take coefficient of x, it will become minus b square into 2ab minus b into ab, a plus b. Then we take that of y, it will be ab, a plus b into a minus 2ab into a square. Then we take it the other side here, so it will become minus 1 by a square b minus ab square. So we multiply inside, minus b square minus 2 into 2ab will become 2ab cubed, minus 2 minus plus b into b square. So we multiply inside, it will become a square b square, then ab cube. So here also we multiply, then after that we separate that of x and constant term, that of y and constant term. Okay, those. So here we see ab cube, they are same, we can minus. Then this one both different, leave it as it is. Then in the second part also we have a cube b, 1 minus 1 plus, so 2 minus 1 will be 1. Here square different, leave it like that. Then here we can already take common. Okay, so now we separate them, those. So here we take it up, a cancel, b and b square, so only b, a minus b cancel. Then the other side also same, a cancel, b minus a minus b. So if I take common minus, it will become a minus b. So now we can cancel. So the value of y equal to minus a, that of x is equal to b.